Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome back to One Stop English with Miss Devi. Today we are going to learn how to use present simple and present continuous. Let's get started. Part 1. Now let's pay attention to these two sentences. My sister always writes a fantasy story. My sister is writing a fantasy story. Is there any difference between these two sentences? Which one is present simple and which one is present continuous? Yes, that's right. The first sentence is in the present simple and the second sentence is in the present continuous. So, how is it different? To understand more about how to use present simple and present continuous, let's move on to the next part. Part 2. In this part, we are going to take a look at how to form a present simple and present continuous. Dengan kata lain, kita akan melihat bagaimana membuat sebuah kalimat dengan menggunakan present simple dan present continuous. For the present simple, we use the infinitive form of the verb or verb 1. For example, I read a book every day. But in the present simple, we have to be careful when the subject of the sentence is singular, because we need to add an s or es at the end of the verb. For example, she reads a book every day. Now, for present continuous, we use to be plus the infinitive form of the verb plus ing. For example, they are playing a video game now. Are you still confused? If yes, then let's find out more on how to use simple present and present continuous on the next part. Part 3. So, when do we use present simple and present continuous? Now, let's take a look. We use a present simple when we talk about things that are routine and happen frequently. Dengan kata lain, kita menggunakan present simple saat ingin membicarakan suatu kegiatan yang terjadi sehari-hari sebagai sebuah kebiasaan atau rutinitas. For example, Devi always does her homework. Present simple is also used to talk about things in general. Dengan kata lain, kita juga bisa menggunakan present simple ketika kita ingin membicarakan sebuah fakta atau sesuatu yang bersifat umum. For example, the earth goes around the sun. Now, let's have a look at present continuous. We use present continuous when we talk about things that we are in the middle of doing and haven't finished yet. Dengan kata lain, kita menggunakan present continuous ketika kita membicarakan sesuatu yang sedang kita kerjakan dan masih belum selesai dikerjakan ketika kita membicarakan hal tersebut. For example, my mother is cooking dinner now. Or, Fia is still working on her biology project. So, are you with me now? Well, to understand more about how to use present simple and present continuous, let's check out a short fact about Lucy in the next video. Pay attention to these short facts about Lucy. Lucy is a writer. She enjoys writing about many things. She is a member of an online community of writers. They write and share stories about their favorite television show characters. Right now, Lucy is writing a story about her favorite heroes in The Legend of Korra. So that's all about present simple and present continuous. It's easy, right?
To help you get a hold of this material, please don't forget to apply it on your daily writings or conversations. And if you have a problem in understanding some vocabularies in this video, please check out the glossary part at the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.